This tutorial shows you how to temporarily hide an email and have it reappear in your inbox later. First, open the Gmail app on your Android. After that, find the email you want to snooze in your inbox. From there, swipe left on the email, or tap and hold if swipe doesn't reveal the option. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the clock icon that appears. In the next step, a list of preset snooze times will appear on your screen, such as later today or tomorrow. Following this, tap on one of these presets if it matches when you want the email back. Once done, tap on Pick Date and Time instead if you want to choose a specific moment. From here, select your preferred date and time, then tap on Save. At this stage, the email will disappear from your inbox until the snooze time arrives. Keep in mind, snoozed emails move to a separate snooze folder, so you can still check on them manually before they return. Finally, tap on the snoozed folder from the side menu anytime you want to unsnooze an email early. And that's it. If this guide helped you snooze emails in Gmail, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next